Hi guys, today I will explain how to swap Ethereum with other cryptocurrency in wallet. This process is way too simple. Just open the Trust Wallet application, once it will be open. In your crypto list you have to find that crypto. Here is the crypto. But what if you did not find it? Then scroll down and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar you have to search for USDT. Once you write, here is the crypto, turn it on. Then it will be added to your list. Now once you will add it, tap on the option Ethereum. Here you have to select this option swap. On the top you can see the crypto which we want to swap, and this one is the exact crypto which we want to get in return of my Ethereum, but we don't need to change this because we want to swap it with another one. But if you want to get another crypto, then click on this Ethereum, and here select any of that which you want, just for showing you. I will select this Uniwax. Once you will change, here, you have to enter that amount which you want to swap. Just for showing you, I will select one. And now, if you have enough balance, then the continue option will be available, and you can see insufficient balance. But if you have, then there will be continue option, and you have to tap on that continue, and you will swap your crypto in Trust Wallet within few minutes.